Alright, just a quick update video on that tire repair. Just checking out the mower. So I went around and checked all the tires. And this one. And this one. They all, I have not added any air to any tire. Now the two back ones, I put slime in. But the two front ones, I haven't done anything to. But the ones that we slimed for the sidewall, it has not had any leaks. We've not added any air, so that's 2 months. Well, we'll check back in a month and give you another update.